Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna be actually chrome stripping my wheels, and in order for me to actually go do that, I'd have to go to a different state, because in California this stuff is indeedly banned. The paint removal is called aircraft. It's banned from California, so I gotta make a little long 3-hour drive to another state to get me that product I'd be able to put on my wheels and chrome strip them. So this is gonna look so tough, and it's not my OEM wheels, it's gonna be the Apexes I have over there. They've been black and I've been wanting to color them chrome. We're about to head to Nevada so we can grab this stuff. It's crazy. I'm doing all this for you guys, so you guys stay tuned to that, and it's gonna be a crazy video. So we're currently fueling up right now, and it turns out we're gonna actually be spending the night there. They said they want to go gamble, but I don't know. Okay, I was like, it's cool, we can go do that. But right now the main objective of this trip is to get me the aircraft so I can strip my chrome wheels and make them look good, because I mean it is legal, but they have the worst one. My friend that actually went inside the gas station told me that he had that and he actually used it on his rims and it didn't help out. The strong one is all the way in Nevada, so that's where we're going. It's gonna be an insane trip and it's gonna be sick, and it looks like we're fully maxed out right now, but we're just gonna wait on them and it's gonna go crazy and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Boys got hungry mid-trip and they wanted to use the restroom, so we're like, okay, we'll just head to McDonald's, grab whatever. But I think they might be actually taking a little too long because they still gotta order. They ordered a lot of stuff, and honestly we do still have like 2 hours and 30 minutes on the road, and it's gonna be a long journey over there. But so far the van is looking good. I checked everything, I kind of did a recheck, just everything, tires, blah blah blah, just trying to make sure we get there safe and the van is good. I don't want something to happen to us, because it is an old car. It does have 200,000 miles on it, 220 actually now, 220,000 miles, and anything can go wrong. But again, this is a Toyota and it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be insane. We're gonna be there for 2 days. Today we're probably gonna spend the night at the casino. That's what they said they want to do. But my main objective of this trip to get that aircraft thing for my wheels, so I'd be able to get started on it. It is illegal in California, so we're gonna do it in Mexico. We're just gonna travel because it's close. We're gonna go to Mexico, do my wheels over there, and it's gonna be sick. So let me do this. We're gonna go grab food and we should be out once we're done, and hopefully we'd be able to make that before, I think we're gonna get there at 7, but it should be good. So they just told us in order to cross the lines, we'd have to go to O'Reilly and get some change. This is how bad it is. I think we came where now it's like storming like crazy and a whole snowstorm, but they just told us to go to O'Reilly, grab us some chains, and I think we should be good for the most part. And let's just get it and let's see what might happen. I hope everything stays good. But right now we're gonna walk in. Let me get the chains. So right now we're about to go to a hotel that we just booked right now. We can't go on the highway, we can't complete a road trip because there's a lot of snow and storms, and people, they're still trying to clear it up. So they're like, oh, go Papa you can wait 3 to 10 hours 3 to 10 hour wait time. So we're like, let's just go book. And now we're about to head there. We've been here for a long time. We're sitting in the back actually because there's a lot of room, but let's go get there and let me pick you guys up once we're at the spot. So we just got to the hotel, and let me tell you guys, this hotel comes with the sickest view. This is probably honestly one of the best hotels I've ever actually been to. The reason why I pulled out this camera right now is I want to tell you guys this is just episode 1. There's going to be 2 episodes. Episode 1, which is this video, is going to be kind of me documenting my journey from California to Nevada to get that specific part. Let me show you guys the view real quick. Dude, it looks so sick. Like, you can see the whole city. And let me tell you guys, this weather is no joke. Like, it was like 29 degrees. It never gets 29 degrees in California. Like, the lowest it gets is probably 44. But actually, matter of fact, 37. I'm sorry about that. It gets as low as 37, but that's at like 5 in the morning. So there's, I'm not gonna be out at 5 in the morning. We finally just got to Nevada after a long drive. I'm tired as hell, but we just made it to AutoZone. We're gonna go pick up the parts. So it turned out they don't have the one that I'm looking for. I'll put a picture up right here. They don't have that at this AutoZone, but they do have it at O'Reilly's. and that's where we're gonna head there. And hopefully I'd be able to get a good amount so I'd be able to strip my wheels and make them chrome, because I know it would look really good with the chromes on. But right now we're about to go in there. We're gonna maybe grab some drinks. How lucky want me Red Bull. It was a long drive, didn't have a drink, didn't have nothing, so we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna head to O'Reilly's and finally grab it, and we might go to the casino. They want to gamble, but hey, it is what it is, and that's what we're gonna do. We just got the stuff. Tell me why it was $132. I was expecting it to be cheaper, but you know, oh well. You know, I'm doing it for you guys. We're gonna strip the wheels and I'm gonna lower the car. It's gonna look so much better. But we're gonna go get sandpaper probably in California. But I'm gonna do my wheels in Nevada because, you know, it's highly illegal, you know, transporting stuff in and out of states. So I'm gonna do my wheels in Nevada, just, you know, for safety cautions and everything. But right now we're gonna go. I think we might go eat. I'm not sure, but we gotta figure everything out. I am gonna be trying to get something for this car while they're gambling inside. So I don't know, there's something for the wheels right here. You see how it's like dented a little bit? I'm trying to see if I can fix that because it's slowly leaking air a little bit, I would say. So I think I'm gonna head to AutoZone for like the second time today, and then I'm gonna get that, and it's gonna be smooth, it's gonna drive normal. And it's really dirty because there was salt on the road, there was a lot of snow. I'm gonna insert some clips in there. But right now the main objective for them is to head to the casino, and I go to AutoZone before it closes. And it's freezing. Yeah, it's like 26 right now and I'm just cold. But before we decided to leave, they said they want to go to the gun range. And let me tell you guys, since I'm from California, you guys know everything is strict. In there, there's like 33 round mags. There's literally everything. There's literally a drum mag for a Glock, which is crazy. They have everything. They have an SMG. They have everything. They weren't shooting, but I couldn't because I'm not, you know, it sucks. I'm not of age. But next time, hopefully we come, I want to shoot the SMG, and it was so tough. It actually looks so good. I'll put a picture on top. It actually looks so beautiful. If I want a gun, I want that to be my gun. That's why we're moving to Nevada, hopefully next year. Just me, myself, and I want to get a house. I want to build a crazy car collection. It's going to be insane. But for the meantime, I'm just waiting for them. They might be getting something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what they're getting. But I think that's gonna be the last stop we're gonna stop at before we hit the road and go back home, so I can show you guys what wheels I'm actually gonna be stripping off the paint of. We just got back home after a long drive of 4 hours, and it was a headache. But finally we made it home, safe and sounding. But let me tell you guys, this will be the last time you guys will ever see these lights. And also, let me show you guys what tires I'm gonna be stripping, and they're gonna look so nice. So he just pulled up. These are gonna be gone. I already took off this, but I'm planning on removing my plate cover. It's too dark, it's too tinted. I think I might give me the clear one. I still don't know yet, but the car is gonna look so much better after this. And feels good to the vlog. Yes sir, that's my boy right there. But we're gonna do this, and it's gonna look so much different. And plus the car is so dirty, you can literally, you see that? The car is so dirty, I couldn't even wash it because if I pressure wash it, all the lights are gonna come off. But let's do this quick because I do have somewhere to go. Whenever I tell you guys, this is actually so painful. Like, you can see how dirty it is. You can see the top. The carbon roof is done for. But we're doing the back. It's so easy to take off, but it took us like almost 10 hours to put on, which blows my mind. But get ready for this transformation. Ready? Look at this. This is actually so dirty. The car is really dirty, and he told me just wash it with the pressure washer first before we rub it in, because I don't want like chips or something like this going to the paint and scratch it all up. So we're gonna wash it at first with just water and just wait and throw soap on it, let it all like fall, and hopefully it should be good. But we're gonna wash it right now. The roof is absolutely cooked. So these are the rims I'm gonna be chroming out. So far we got everything that we need. We have the stuff right here, which is gonna be this one right here. That's the ultra one that, you know, we're still in Nevada. I'm just letting you guys know we're still in Nevada. We can't do it in California because it's highly illegal. But we got everything. All we need is a sandpaper to kind of sand it down a little bit and polish it as well. But let me show you guys the car. The car looks shiny. It looks crazy. It needed a wash. Let me tell you guys, it needed a wash. It was so dirty, and I couldn't even wash it because the Christmas lights were on it. This should be the end of this video. Tune in for the next episode, which is gonna be on next Monday. Tune in for that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. My name is Dextro, and I'm out.